Nation is first, always first. Today is 15th of August 2024 and we are extremely delighted to express our gratitude to our nation. We have a school band marching with a pride along with Mrs. Olivia Fernandez, humble manager Mrs. Sabrina Rodriguez. Let us all witness the true spirit of nationalism. Demand for independence grew stronger each passing day. The British weakened by increasing pressure. The struggle was marked by a combination of peaceful protests, political negotiations and occasional violence, leading India's independence on August 15, 1947. The tricolour, the symbol of our pride and unity. Let us all join in paying tribute to our national flag. As the flag ascends, let us witness it with deep respect and pride, the colors that embody the soul of our nation.
Order! Rashtragan Shuru Kar!
Our country has achieved freedom, but not for all. There are people who still do not have voice as a result of domination by the powerful. They too deserve freedom. They too need to live a life of independence. Let us be their voice. Now let us witness a small act of kindness, signifying freedom to those who are voiceless.
India's 78th Independence Day. It's a day to reflect on the remarkable journey we have undertaken. Today we also celebrate the feast of Our Lady of Assumption.
In a world of immense progress, we are battling the alarming evils of caste system, child labor, crime, corruption, consumerism. This is violence and scam. This terrorizes and traps us in bondage.
Real freedom is the freedom of heart that set up to speak, to live in peace and harmony. Are we truly free?
Is India just a secular country of papers? Why is there this communal discomfort? When will they stop fight in the name of religion? We observe how we became slaves to the materialistic culture.
The book of Prophet Isaiah. The good news of deliverance. The sovereign Lord has filled me with His Spirit. He has chosen me and sent me to bring good news to the poor.
Lord, let my country away.
When the mind is without fear and the head is held high.
Oh, let my country awake.
When the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls.
Oh, let my country awake.
When knowledge is free but not given for free.
Oh, let my country awake.
Where religion is in danger and domination.
Oh, let my country awake.
This is the fight for freedom. Freedom from yesterday for tomorrow by Mangal Pandey.
The Salt March, not just a journey of 240 miles, but a testament to our quest of truth and freedom. As I, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, but you know me as Gandhiji, and this part in 1913. It symbolized our collective strength against the injustice. My life has been a quest of truth and justice.
दे सलामी इस तिरंगे को जिससे तेरी शान है, सर हमेशा ऊंचा रखना इसका जब तक दिल में जान है। तो भूल न जाना भारत माँ के सपूतों का बलिदान, इस दिन के लिए जो हुए थे हंसकर कुर्बान। तो लो शब्द की बनाएंगे भारत माँ को और भी महान। जय हिंद, जय भारत, धन्यवाद।
सारे जहां से प्यारी मेरे भारत की बेटी, तू सारे जहां पे भारी मेरे भारत की बेटी, दिल जान है शान हमारी मेरे भारत की बेटी, जीती रहो मेरे भारत की बेटी। अपना है दिन ये आज का, दुनिया से जाके बोल दो ऐसे जागो रे साथियों, दुनिया की आंखें खोल दो लहरा दो सरगर्शी का परचम लहरा दो, गर्दिश में फिर अपनी सरजमी का परचम लहरा दो।
मैं अपनी जाति का आज समर्पण नहीं होने दूंगी। मैदान में मारना है, फिरंगी से नहीं हारना है। मैं अपने जाति का आज समर्पण नहीं होने दूंगी। मैदान में मारना है, फिरंगी से नहीं हारना है।
इनकलाब जिंदाबाद, इनकलाब जिंदाबाद, इनकलाब जिंदाबाद।
सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है, देखना है जोश कितना बाजुए कातिल में है।
इनकलाब जिंदाबाद, इनकलाब जिंदाबाद।
मैं सावित्रीबाई फुले। हम स्वतंत्र लोग हैं, श्वेत व्यक्ति को हम पर शासन नहीं करना चाहिए।
तुम मुझे खून दो, मैं तुम्हें आजादी दूंगा। जय हिंद।
कश्मीर के कठुआ में आतंकी हमले में 4 जवान शहीद हो गए। आतंकियों ने कठुआ में घात लगाकर सैनिकों पर हमला बोला। घटना में 6 जवानों के घायल होने की खबर है और 4 जवान शहीद हो गए हैं।
In order to honor the sacrifice of our brothers at the border, we will maintain 1 minute silence.
We go through, there is a miracle that happens. And what we are standing today, dear students, staff is a miracle of our country while we celebrate the 78th India's independence. So for all of you, dear students, pride, with the pride that we stand all, that there was a struggle of our forefathers that went across, the freedom fighters that fought for our nation, and that is the reason you and I enjoy this.